Can we just take a moment? I've had this since I was 7 years old, that hanger. Do I though? I don't know. Do you know what? Forget it. Life's too short. That must mean I have like 20 pairs of jeans. Is that normal? Hello and welcome back to my channel. We have got a mission on our hands for today's video. It's come to that time where I've finally decided we need to sort my wardrobes out. I'm going to show you in a sec, but I currently have two very big rails full of clothes and they need to go in these wardrobes. So yeah, these wardrobes are like completely empty. If any of you have been following along on my channel, I have completely like redone my bedroom and we have all new built-in wardrobes, which makes me so excited. I'm obsessed with them. I love them. So yeah, I spent the other evening like completely cleaning them. I've got some like drawer dividers on the way, so like stuff like that I don't really want to wait for. I just want to kind of get stuff in my wardrobe so I can get rid of these goddamn rails because they're doing my head in. So yeah, I'm not really sure the method for doing this. I don't really know where to start, but we're going to give it a go. I feel like I underestimated how long this is going to take me. So these are the two rails of clothes. My god, right, they are like full and they're very long. And this ain't even like half the clothes that I have, to be honest. These are the wardrobes that we are working with. Excuse the fact I have no carpet. As you can see, we're trying to sort that situation out right about now. I have these wardrobes, which is where I plan to obviously put most of my clothes, but I also have another one. I need to wipe these rails over because I cleaned them the other day, but I didn't dry them after, and they're like really smeary, so I need to do that quickly. But yeah, so I have a lot of hanging space. I have a little shelf, have some drawers. That wardrobe has also got two rails, and that is bigger than the other single one over there. And we also have shelves in this one. That is what we're working with. Maybe get rid of a few things, organise it all, see how we go. Being serious, like where do I start? I haven't even thought about like what I'm putting in what section. Like what should I put on the rails? What order? Do you know what? Forget it. Life's too short. I think I'm going to start with this rail. I'm thinking blazers. Then I don't know what else. Jumpers? I don't really know. What we're going to do? We're going to do blazers. No? Are we? First one to go in. Okay, I managed to find 3 blazers. That was as far as we got. I'm thinking next dresses. I want to go with dresses. Oh my god, literally forgot I had half of these dresses. Can we just take a moment? I've had this since I was 7 years old, that hanger. Wow. Those are all my dresses and I've just kind of organised them into colour. I've at least tried to anyway. It's like from dark to light, kind of. They're like really spaced apart at the top though, so I can like literally massively squash those over. But yeah, for now, that is dresses. So I don't want to hang my jeans up. I want to put them in drawers, she says. Do I though? I've never had drawers to put jeans in, so why not? Let's start now. I'm going to separate out all the jeans and trousers in there on the top rail. Yes, I'm just going to commit to it. See, but the thing is, I don't want them on hangers like this. I want them on like clippy hangers. What I mean, like trouser hangers. Found one. Saved by the Bell, where Dad has made me a bacon sandwich for lunch. You, my friend, can't wait till I'm back. So what we have done is all the blazers and dresses are still on the right hand side. I've now added in like shirts and blouses, so like slightly more like formal going out things. So I feel like this is a bit more of like a formal going out, kind of like making a bit more of an effort section. I don't know if you've also noticed, I've been putting some bits like on this rail as I've been going along. These are bits which, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really wear. A lot of them still have tags on. Like these three have tags on, that has a tag on, that has a tag on. They've just never been worn, so I think I'm probably going to sell them on Depop at some point. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm going to leave them there for now. They're like a few mixture of things, and I've just been seeing them as I go along, so I've just popped them in there. And then this is a trouser section, which I've actually added to because I've been finding more trousers as I've been like clearing off my rails. And then down here I've put all my jumpers again. I've tried to like colour coordinate it as best as I can, and I'm kind of proud of myself because it looks quite cute. So yeah, that is what's in there for now. I'm still not really sure if I'm going to keep them there. I don't really know. But now, the main things left on these rails are like t-shirts, like smaller vest tops, summery tops. Oh wait, the blouses, they should be in there. And a dress, that should be in there. See what I mean? Oh gosh. And then skirts and jeans, leggings, joggers. That sounds like a hell of a lot more than what I thought it was going to be. So, oh my gosh, there's another blouse. See what I mean? I keep missing stuff out. Okay, I'm going to pop these in the wardrobe. And then the plan is, I think I might do like long sleeve tops, t-shirts, then summery tops. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, we'll see. I'm going to like start and then see how I go. So many like thick strap vest tops that I wear with like jeans or like under blazers or with joggers, and I'm like, where do I put them? Do I put them with my crop tops? Do I put them with my t-shirts? Do I fold them up? I don't know. I don't know where to put them. On the side. This is so much harder than it needs to be. This has taken me a ridiculous amount of time to do. Jeans, joggers, and also like vests. So I think the plan for them is I'm going to put them all in a drawer. So I think I'm going to leave the top drawer for, like I said, like underwear. I'm trying to think if I can fit pyjamas and underwear in that in there. I think I can. If not, we might have to shift everything down by one drawer. I kind of want to get some like type of like fabric boxes or something that are quite big and that I can like put all those things in, but for now we don't have those, so I'm just gonna have to like fold them in and put them in there. But yeah, that's the next thing. I'm kind of excited because we're like seeing the end of this and I'm quite happy about it. Doing this has only just made me realise how many pairs of jeans I have. So I just counted, I have about 3 pairs in the ironing pile. I'm pretty sure there's 1 pair in the wash because there's a pair of jeans that aren't in here, which I don't know where they are, so they must be in the wash. And on top of that, like I said, this isn't all my clothes. Yeah, I have more clothes at my mum's house. And there's definitely more jeans there. No, surely not, because wait, this can't be right. This actually can't be right. That must mean I have like 20 pairs of jeans. Is that normal? Anyway, just to kind of summarise what I just did. So I've obviously got all my jeans along here in colour order. It's quite satisfying. There's like an odd pair of khaki coloured jeans in there, which kind of ruin it. Maybe I should move those to the front. Would that look better? There you go. I feel like that looks a little bit more satisfying. So they're all my jeans. These are all my joggers. Again, there's some in the wash. There's some down there that are clean, but they just need to be ironed, so I'm not going to put them in here. I'm literally wearing a pair as we speak. And there's defo a pair or two in the wash, and there's also some in the ironing pile. I actually have so many clothes straight, but that's fine. I can like definitely fit more in there if I push those back. Then I've got leggings that goes up to there, and then I put my vests in here as well. I don't really know if I'm going to keep these in here. I don't really know where to put them. I felt like it was a bit pointless hanging them up. I'm not sure if they were going to stay there, but that is where I have put them for now. So yeah, that is that drawer, which is very exciting. I've been so excited to have my new wardrobes for so long. It's just so nice for them to be like really organised, and I don't know, it just feels so good, and I'm really excited to get rid of these rails. Yeah, also I'm going to put some of these in my wardrobe. They're from Primark, and they're like room sachets. You can hang them and they make your room smell nice. I'm not sure like how strong they are, so maybe I won't use like loads. But yeah, I'm going to pop some of these in my wardrobes real quick. I don't know how they work. You just, oh, that smells so good. So just before I end this video, I thought I'd give you like a little overview of how everything looks and where everything is. I've switched over to my vlog camera, so it's a bit easier to show you. But in the main wardrobe, I've got blazers, dresses, all like blouses and shirts, then long sleeve tops and t-shirts. And then, like I said, I haven't got anything in any of these drawers except this one yet, where I've got my jeans, joggers, leggings, and also vest tops, which is very satisfying. And then in here on the bottom for now, I've just got odd bits and bobs. I don't really think I'm thinking of selling some of these clothes. Some are already on my Depop, so I've just put them there for now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to sell them at some point. These are just some little hangers, which are like space saver hangers from my old wardrobe. And then up here I have all like summery tops and off the shoulder tops, or like off the shoulder kind of blouse tops, like crop tops, all that stuff, like basically just like more summery clothes. And then in this one, all my jumpers on the bottom, and like hoodies, sweatshirts, things like that. On the top we have trousers and then skirts. So yeah, that is everything. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.